Heaven, heaven, nature sing. Hi, I'm Lisa. I am the ukulele fool, foolishly believing that ukulele players can change the world. Joy to the World, a traditional hymn that is so triumphant. So let's learn this and keep it very nice and simple. You only need these 3 basic chords in order to do this song. In this tutorial, we will go over the G to D chord combination with practice tips and some fingering tips as well. We will go over strumming choices. We will do a practice session without any lyrics, and then there's a play along. The G to D chord transition is the trickiest chord transition that we have to do, and on the last line of every verse we have to do it rather quickly. I will give you some hints for that. First of all is be relaxed. It's a process and a journey. Be easy on yourself. My way of learning how to do things is just to sit down and do it in isolation over and over and over again to build a pathway from my head to my hands. So I would just go G and D, back and forth, and just going back and forth, maybe some blind mice or something like that, just to keep it going. In fact, I've watched lots of building YouTubes while taking a problem like this and just going back and forth and doing that minutes on end. Your future self will thank you. But if you're finding that that G is just really kind of uncomfortable, I have a solution that might work for you. Now I finger it with these 2 fingers here, index, middle, and then ring. But you don't have to do it that way. You can put your index finger on the A string, reach across to the C string with your middle, and then your ring goes there. Some of my students find this way more comfortable. Then when you go from the G to the D, this finger remains and you just pivot these fingers around like that. So this finger is your anchor. It goes like that. So again, I do believe that would be a process of training and going back and forth, but this might be a viable fingering alternative for you. I'm going to do a thumb strum with this because I think it sounds gorgeous. Part with a thumb strum is I have more control, and so I can hit each string in isolation, kind of making a little arpeggio effect. So, like that. This song is in 4/4 time, and so the strum for most of the chords is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to get 2 of those down strums per each chord. But when we have the C and D together, they have to be just 1 strum apiece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I color-coded those in yellow just as a reminder that you only get 1 per each of those. Then that very last line, after we've done the repeat heaven and nature sing or repeat the sounding joy, you're going to have to do a G, D, G, and those are 1, 2, 3, 4. Just go over and over it again. Your head understands it, but it's got to build a nervous system highway to your hands in order to get them to do it naturally, easily, with no fret and frown. Or, well, we're using frets. Just as a note, you could always do different strumming options. You could do 4 down strums. To the world, the Lord is come, and 2 down strums, 2 down strums. Just double everything up. That works fine too. And of course, you could always do patterns. You could do island strum, and then on the 2s, you could do a 2-beat strum. So it sounds like this. Joy to the world, the Lord is come, and earth receive a King. Follow your bliss. Let's do a slow play along, just remembering that every time you see a chord, it's 2 and unless it's yellow and only gets one, and then the ending with the slash, it's doubling up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Follow along. 1, 2, here we go. G twice, and G twice, and C once, and D once, and G twice, and G twice, and G twice, G, G, and D twice, and G, and G, and G, D, G. And here's a timestamp if you need to go back and repeat that. And don't forget, you've got control of the speed on YouTube. You can use speed controls if you need to slow me down or speed me up. Our starting vocal pitch is a G. Joy. 1, 2, ready, begin. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the earth, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ, while fields and floods, rocks, hills and plains repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy, repeat, repeat the sounding joy. He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nation prove the glories of his righteousness, wonders of his love, and wonders of his love, and wonders, wonders of his love. I hope you enjoy playing that with me. I do have a baritone tutorial, and I've got lots of other Christmas tunes that should be showing up here for you on YouTube. Thanks for watching to the very end. Don't forget to get your chord chart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. Happy holidays.